Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and it is another Collect Your Junk Journal Challenge episode. So let's just jump right into it and let's get started. This was the part that I did last time, and then I stamped the envelope. So now today I have found this packaging, and I really want to use this over here on this side because I'm thinking that I could put a picture in the side here. So I'm trying to figure out how would I actually get that done, but I think if I could just slide it in there and it would hold, so it's not such a big deal about trying to get that picture in. I am going to probably go ahead and take this completely off though, and try to maneuver this somehow, maybe take this side off, cut it off. Where are my scissors? And that way I can just easily slip in a picture from the side. How beautiful is the day today? It is such a beautiful day outside. Here, it is really exciting to see the sun. Haven't seen it in a while. So let's see. Let's see if I can get this on. What am I doing here? Okay. So I'm going to just cut this out. That should do it. And fold it in half. Fold that piece in half. Get a measurement here. That should do it. And see, this is why it really didn't even matter about the print, because it will be covered up. Did I do this right? I hope I did. Okay, so I put that on that side, and then I will put it in this part here. And there. So there, that'll go open like that. And I think, is it stuck? It's not stuck quite yet. A little bit longer. I'm being impatient here. Okay. Now, well, you know what? I am going to use a bit of washi tape on it as well. You know what? Why not this? Why not this tape? To make sure that holds down. snip it there. And get another one to make sure this holds down. And there. Now I can just slip some items in here, like a picture or something here. So I'm going to cut this one off because it's a little big for it. And I made a mistake and cut this. So this will be a top loading one here, if I can cut this off. Let's see if I can punch. And there. And the fact that this is all torn up, and I did peel it off some to get some of the paper off like that, because I do kind of like that look of it. And now I'm just going to glue it back on. So hopefully it stays. And there. Now I have a front loading pocket for that one. And it will sit like this, so I would definitely need the paper on this side this time. This side. Make sure it's not too close. And cut those off, those little leftover pieces. And I have a little clear pocket there. Now I have a pocket on each side that I can work with. And now I need to do something about this outside here. And I'm going to go in my box of junk that I have and try to decorate that outside with a little something. This would be cute. Let's see, what else do I have? I have these. Let's see what I can do with this to make a little writing spot or something right here. I hope this sticks. It's a PVA glue. Make sure it goes to the edge there. Make sure to get those edges. I'm going to put these little papers, I'm going to attach these little papers, but I want some fabric in my journal, so I'm going to take those, and I have some scrap fabric pieces in my little jar. And I'm going to take this little fabric piece here and use it as a little cover after I attach it. Okay, I have ironed this little piece of fabric that I found, and I found this little piece of cardboard, which I don't really want to use this. I really want to use something that's not as glossy, I guess. And so my thinking is that I can like stitch this on here. I might have to cut this down just slightly. So cut that down slightly, and then I will stitch it onto this paper. Okay, now that I have stitched around this side, and I've not stitched this top side, and that's because I want to attach this to this. So once I get this attached, then I will stitch right across the top here. So I'm going to do that and come back. Okay, now that I have this stitched on to these little papers, I'm going to fold this over like so, just to make a little crease line so that it will easily fold up. And then I'll glue this top part down. And I will need some washi tape to hold it together. And I think I'm going to put like a back piece on there. Use this for the back piece. No measuring for me. None whatsoever. And I just take this and just dot that glue on there like that. This is more of my therapy journal. And now I need some washi tape to go across the top here. And that will be my glue board right there. Put that in, and that way I can just flip it up and use some of the papers. Now that I have that side, piece of hair, okay, and I need to do something with this side. I'm thinking about maybe just putting in a picture, maybe. Like this would be a nice size side to just have a photo. I found some packaging, and this is a little sticker, something that some stickers came in, and so I am going to probably put that there so that I can slide in a little picture. And that is what I will do for this. And glue that on right there. Then I could just slide the picture in on the side, and then I'll glue it closed. And that is how far I have gotten into this journal thus far. I hope that you've enjoyed this number 6 junk journal challenge, collect your junk challenge. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye bye.